Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about hair care routines for different hair types. Whether you have dry hair, oily hair, curly hair or straight hair, this video got you covered. In this video, we will be sharing tips and tricks for creating a personalized hair routine that works for you. So pay close attention. If you have dry hair, you know how hard it can be to keep it moisturized. Here are some tips that I have found useful. Use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to further dryness and damage. So ensure you use a sulfate-free shampoo to help retain moisture and reduce frizz in your dry hair. Apply a moisturizing mask once or twice a week. Now, these masks contain ingredients like protein, vitamins, and antioxidants that help repair any damage to your hair. Use a hydrating conditioner and leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. Hydrating conditioners can help detangle dry hair, making it easier to comb and style. Try as much as possible to avoid heat styling. Using heat to style your dry hair can strip your hair of its natural moisture. Instead, use a microfiber towel to dry your hair. Microfiber towels are gentle on hair, reducing friction and preventing breakage. These towels are very easy to use and leave your hair feeling soft. Okay, moving on to hair type 2, oily hair. My oily hair girlies are probably tired of dealing with greasiness and frizz. Well, here are some tips to help. Use a clarifying shampoo once a week to remove product buildup. When products buildup occurs, it can worsen your hair greasiness, leading to a cycle of oiliness and a dull look. Apply a clay-based mask to absorb excess oil in your hair. You can also use a lightweight conditioner and also a dry shampoo between washes as well. Okay, moving on to my curly hair baddies. If you have curly hair, you know how beautiful it can be, but also how it has high maintenance. So here are some tips to help. Apply a curl activator or enhancer. This helps to define your curl pattern, reducing frizz and flyaways. It also keeps your hair moisturized, providing hydration to your hair, making styling and managing easier. This tip is very important. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to detangle your curls from the ends, working up. Also, always use a heat protectant spray when styling your hair with heat. Last but not the least, straight hair angels. If you have straight hair, you're probably looking for ways to add volume and enhance the texture of your hair. Here are some tips. Use a soft, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Like I said earlier, sulfate can strip your hair of its natural oil, making it really dry. Apply a volumizing mousse or root lift to add volume. Then you can also apply hair serum to add shine and to protect your hair. Then lastly, use a round brush while blow drying to add smoothness. And that's it for today's video. Remember, the key to a great hair routine is to find what works for you and stick to it. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to share your own hair care routines in the comment section. Bye for now.